Today we got another Cybertruck accessory review. Let's check it out. This is not a paid review, it's an honest opinion. I'm gonna purchase the product on Amazon right here. We're gonna get it, we're gonna unbox it, we're gonna install it, and I'll let you know what I think. Let's go. All right, so the product I'm purchasing today, $49.99 here on Amazon, and this is the door built-in hidden storage box for the Tesla Cybertruck. You can see a few of the different images, pretty cool along the door right there. It is a 2-pack, so it comes with a passenger and driver side. Says it's super easy to install. I'm wondering what will kind of fit in it and see if it's pointless or if it's good. So let's get this thing purchased, add it to our cart, and let's proceed to checkout. Now this has same-day shipping. Let's see how quick we can get it. That was pretty quick. Let's get this unboxed. All right, so again, door side storage for the 2026 Tesla Cybertruck. On Amazon, it says it works for the 2024, 2025, and 2026. Let's see what this packaging is all about and see what this product's all about. So, packaging looks pretty nice so far. Oh, little piece fell out here. I'm not sure what that is. We'll see. We got directions. That's always a good sign. Okay, some styrofoam in there to protect it. That's always nice. Okay, I do like how they covered both of them so they don't scratch or anything. So, packaging, I would say very nice. Now let's see how these guys work. So I'm not sure what this piece is. We'll check that in a minute. But there's a little silicone rubber piece here. It looks like that is, okay, fits in perfect in the bottom there. So should be super easy to clean it. Just pull this out, wash it, throw it back in. So that part's nice. Let's see how the actual door works here. So looks like it's a push. Okay, you can hear the clip. Very nice. Seems like a good quality. All right, that should be it. So let's walk out to the truck and see if we can't get this thing installed. It still didn't say what this clip was for. So this is an actual extra backup clip in case one of your clips breaks. So that's nice to have a backup on hand. All right, we are headed out here to the car to get this installed. Got the car outside right now, knowing we're gonna do a few videos, got it all plugged in. All right, so it looks like it's more of a just push it in this way with a little bit of a gap. So let's put my paper here to protect it. Slide it in like it said. Kind of clipped there, and then it said to leave a little opening on this right side. Okay. Oh, whoa. Well, shit, how do I get this paper out now? It clipped in super nice, and that clipped in super nice, but now my paper's stuck. And the paper is underneath it all. Okay, I worked it from kind of the top there. There we go. Now let's see if I can get it to unclip. There we go. There we go. Okay. Whew. It was worrying me for a second. Okay, so let's get this paper out of here. Paper's all gone. Let's just go with the, we're going to slide this in here method. And I see why they had that. Boom. There we go. Now we're going to put the bottom of it in. That's nice. It's really nice. I like that. Let's go put on the passenger side. All right, let's get this passenger side installed now. Same thing. I'm going to, got that little spacer on the top. And obviously it's giving that paper for a reason, so it's worried about scratching. So I'm just going to kind of push up against it there. go straight in. Boom. That really fits nice. I mean, dark gray, black, but I don't think the black looks bad. You guys let me know what you think. Fit is really nice. Push, a good area in there for stuff. I mean, honestly, it would be probably perfect. Open the glove box here, and let's just say we wanted to throw some Tylenol and stuff in there. Very easy. Easily fit. Honestly, that was a dead space anyway. Nobody's using that space, so to have it as a closed compartment there, I think it looks really nice. The only thing I think that I could recommend would be if it were like the dark gray color versus a straight black. I think that could look a little bit better, but overall, pretty quality product. I like it. Now, I did my truck in a satin black wrap, which looks pretty nice, and it's a whole lot better when it comes to fingerprints, I'll tell you that much. I like it. All right, so overall on the door side storage box for the Cybertruck, I'm going to give this 9.5. I honestly think the only issue is the color. The black up against the dark gray. But if it were a matching color, I think it would look seamless and it would look like it came with the truck. So it does look like an aftermarket just based off the color, but the quality of it, the extra clip they gave just in case one breaks, which could worry you a little bit, like are they expecting one to break? But we'll see, I'll keep you updated on that. But I honestly think I'll use this a lot. I think it's great for storage so stuff isn't out in the open. But I'll check back in a few months, let you know how much I actually use this, if I like it, if I still recommend it. But as of right now, 9.5 out of 10. Let's go. Link in the description. If you have any questions, make sure to subscribe. I got a bunch of other products that I purchased on Amazon and from different stores that I will be installing on my Cybertruck, and I'll let you guys know how it is. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.